Oh, too short. Okay. Hello, again. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna be deleting this account because it's really ugly and I really don't want it. You know, I'm just gonna spend this, probably something from my wish list, but can't buy anything. Cheapest is this. Auto. Me and this boy keep autoing each other back. He started autoing me, so you know what? I'm like, I'm nice, so I'm just gonna auto him. I autoed him. And then he autoed me again. And now I'm autoing him. So, yeah. I'm just trying to get this to level 7. So I can see what I'm gonna get. Because if I do, I will keep this account then. Because if it gives me a shirt, I'm gonna make it white. Because this one is supposed to be the good person, and this one's the bad. So that's why this one was cut. But let's see. Do I have anything on my list? I don't want any of these. Besides maybe this, and this. But I really don't care about this, or this. I could have gotten that. Maybe that if I would have watched the video or something. But I already have these. What's on my wish list here? Ooh. Oh wait, that's me. You know what? I'm just gonna delete the account. I'm gonna buy an animation, gift it to my boy account, and boom. I need poses for the boy account. Because the boy account needs some poses. Anything under 375. Even though I only have 365, I can just watch a movie and then go back to it. It's not that hard. Repeat. You're supposed to auto somebody. Don't tell me you autoed me. Bruh. Wow, that's non-stop autoing. Welcome to the planet, Mama. Where are you? That's exactly how she likes to be. It doesn't even do anything. I already have that. What's this? Yo. Bruh. That's such a waste of money. I want to see what kind of this. In the shade. Nah. I should get this. It's $225. So I'm gonna get another account, get it for $225, and buy it. Bruh. I'm wasting all my recording time on this. Okay, I'll pause it when I find something I like. Okay, so I just got level 7, and it gave me no. I'm just gonna claim this because it's like I really don't care anymore. You know what? I'm gonna leave it black. I don't care how it looks. You know what? Okay, I interrupted what I was gonna say. I was trying to say I'm deleting the other account. Okay, so I just bought it. I bought the animation. It's this one right here. It's like that, and I got this much left, but I really don't care anymore. No, I'm just super tired. Well, you guys are gonna watch me delete this because I don't care. Wait, I need to outro somebody. No, I don't want to save the dang movie. I don't want to save the dang movie. Hurry up! In a pretty girl, in a pretty world. Something, 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 something. You know what? This is my best friend Janella. Give her an oops yes. Oh, you guys are gonna watch me delete this. Not this. I'm gonna log out. No. I'm not help my user. Delete user. Yes, I'm sure. You know what? I'm gonna just put my password. Username. Lucy. It was supposed to be Quinn, but I accidentally put a Y instead of a U, so. But, A. I know I put Fabrey wrong. Delete user. Yes, I'm sorry, delete my user. Okay. Now what? Now what's gonna happen? This is taking too long. Wait, let me move this. I can't restart the program. Okay, wait, I gotta pause. Okay, here. There. So I'm gonna try and log in. Wait, no. Now it should say deleted user. I deleted my user. It should be a deleted user. But now I'm never gonna go on that account again. So let's go to Vosu. Oops, wrong password. Wrong password again. Okay, I gotta go get water. I'm back from getting my water. And I'm just gonna auto some people. Like this person. He's on level 40. Great. Gaiden? I don't know. I'm saying that like that. But okay. Here's to them. Mother. Tail. It's deleted user! I deleted my user. Wait, let me go see. Wait. I'm dumb. I'm a pretty girl in a pretty world. Hopefully there was nothing that... My next video is gonna be mail time. Well, I guess that's... Goodbye! Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm gonna be making an intro really soon, so...